So I started my day with having breakfast, and me and my mom will go out today to get a few things done. Plus, the main thing which I'm really excited about is getting an Olaplex treatment for my hair. So I'll take you guys with me. So the makeup is done, the outfit is done, feeling myself or whatever. I'm quickly gonna show you guys the whole outfit. So this is the outfit, and I'm really sorry for the bad lighting and for the bad camera quality. We were just leaving and उतने में मेरा order आ गया. I got myself a new frame. Also मैंने eye checkup करवाया था. मेरा number बढ़ चुका है sadly. So I need to be more regular with my specs and stuff. And also I'm really excited for this frame. So that's how it looks. Pretty cute, right? I'm really excited for this. I think it looks cute. It's my first frame which is not ekdam, bhondu types or whatever. It's like fancy, a little fancy. So I'm really excited and I'm gonna wear it. Yeah, that's it. I think I better be going क्योंकि मम्मी वहाँ से डांट रही है. So yeah. So we just booked a cab, and I don't know what's with the peace sign and the mirror, it always kicks in. Anyways, so me and Mamji thought we'll do color twinning and stuff, looking pretty cute while listening to AP Dillon songs. I really love them. So we're at the local market right now. I'm gonna go to the medical store first, and then most probably we'll head over to the salon. So yeah, let's go. So we had a little change in our plan, and we decided to go to the grocery store after the medical store. Also, that's my favorite aisle, the noodles one, and those are my favorite spicy noodles, the one in right bottom corner. So we are done with the medicine and stuff, and also my mom had to get a few stuff for herself. Done with that. Now the plan is a little bit changed. We're gonna drop by my Masi's place, and then from there we're gonna go to the salon. So we're at my Masi's apartment right now. Also मैं साथ में phone charge कर रही हूँ because I don't have that much battery left. So maybe I won't be able to film everything that I wanted to today. Also we have still half an hour left for our salon appointment. So तब तक के लिए I'll charge जितना phone charge हो सकता है. I feel so weirded out and like awkward बाहर shoot करने में because people are like yeah, anyway, so it was my first time that I was filming something घर से बाहर जाके, and I was a little awkward. Also, supermarket में there was this lady. I started filming, right? My mom was buying stuff and जो भी है, ठीक है? So I thought कि let's take a shot. So I was filming my mom, and there was this lady, like वहीं पे ही वो काम करते थे, I guess. So her eyes were glued to the camera. Like I was filming the video, I was filming my mom, and her eyes were like. And then I was like, okay, never mind. And then she came up to me and she was like, बेटा आप क्या कर रहे हो? And I was like, कुछ नहीं आंटी, मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल के लिए. So she was like, अच्छा मेरी शक्ल तो नहीं आई इसमें? And I was like, what kind of question is that आंटी? आप पूरे टाइम मेरे कैमरे को ऐसे करके देख रहे थे. What do you expect? आप नहीं आओगे? But obviously I didn't say that. So I was like, हाँ आपकी थोड़ी सी शक्ल आई है, अगर आपको नहीं लानी है तो आई कैन रीशूट इट, मैं फिर से वीडियो बना देती हूँ. शी वाज लाइक हाँ हाँ आप मेरी शक्ल मत लो, आप बाकी सब कुछ शूट कर सकते हैं. आई वाज लाइक ओके आई विल डू दैट. सो या दैट वाज दैट. I literally look like a patient right now. I just got my head washed. Finally, I'm back home and I feel like throwing up. My head hurts so much because the cab that we booked, it was full of that Ambipure thing, the car freshener stuff. So it had a strong smell of that car freshener, and I don't know why whenever I'm sitting in a car and I smell anything, a fragrance or whatsoever, be it strong or like thodi halki fulki, my motion sickness just kicks in for some reason. Strong fragrances, I like them, they don't bother me at all, but If I smell the same thing in a car, I'm dead. I hate it. I hate it. So yeah, I just feel really sick right now. So I'm just gonna freshen up and then I'm gonna have my dinner. Once I'm done with all of that stuff, I'm gonna come and talk about the Olaplex thing. Finally done with everything, done for the day. And I'll be talking about the Olaplex treatment. Back in August, I went for smoothing. I asked my hairstylist to do smoothing. So he recommended to do Olaplex treatment too. तो मैंने smoothing और Olaplex treatment दोनों करवाया था. Obviously smoothing से damage होता है hair कुछ time के लिए बहुत अच्छा लगता है, but after a while you start to notice a little bit of damage, right? So I was like, how do I maintain this? It was like, just go for Olaplex once in every 2 months, and that would take care of your hair, and I think it would repair the damage here, or like it would help in damage control or something like that. I'll tell you what differences I can see after getting the treatment, because नए like छोटे hair यहाँ से आ रहे होते हैं, so वो हल्के फुल्के frizzy हो रहे थे, and my hair was shiny, not that shiny जितने वो पहले थे जब August में I had the smoothing वगैरह वाला treatment, but थोड़ी बहुत shine चली गई थी, plus they were frizzy, so the frizziness on the crown area, it's not there. And what else, my hair looks healthier, which my mom also said. So I did notice ki the shine that my hair had after the smoothing treatment, it's back now. I'm pretty happy with the treatment for now. I look like a monkey. That was it for today's vlog. I'd say that I kind of enjoyed vlogging, though I did get a little awkward in front of people, but hopefully I'll just get used to it with time. And I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. If you did, then do let me know. I'll make more vlogs. And yeah, that's it. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Bye.